parents for being dedicated and bringing their sons and daughters to the private lessons, to the chamber lessons, and the extra lessons, and the carpooling. There was a lot, so thank you very much. Students, go ahead.
Thank you, Julia.
Thank all of the Brookfield Highlands community here because they're the ones who have provided this environment for us. I would also like to thank Erica and Bella because they've spent many hours in my home preparing for this recital, the lovely posters. Please make sure if you haven't seen them yet that you do take a look at them because we spent many hours. And afterwards there will be a reception, which Erica was at my home last night for, 4 hours preparing for the food. I'd also like to thank my sister Roxanne because she helped with a lot of the little things here and there, helping me find this, that, the other thing. And I'd also like to thank my dad, Jimmy Kitts. He's also a resident here. And he's the one who helped me to get this facility, and he also helped out with a lot of little tidbits. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy the program.